Hello and welcome all. Today in this video we are going to discuss about computational mathematics concept number 2 and 3. That means concept number 2 is exact number, concept number 3 is approximate number. Approximate number. The number, the fixed number, the fixed number is called exact number. For example 2 3 1 root 2 etc. So what is approximate number? Those numbers that represents that represents the number represents those numbers that represents the number the number to a certain degree of accuracy degree of accuracy. For example, the approximate value of pi is the approximate value of pi is 3.1416. We cannot write the exact value of pi. We cannot write the exact value of pi.